What's up, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I'm here with a first-gen Volkswagen Golf. Now, maybe some of you remember this car as the Rabbit, and that's okay. But this, in fact, is a Golf because it is from Britain. Yes, it is right-hand drive. In addition to that, this is like ready to freaking hit some tracks and go as fast as it can go. And the first car I learned to drive on, one of the first cars, was an '84 Rabbit Turbo Diesel. So I am very attached to these cars. I spent about 300,000 kilometers in that car, just about 180,000 miles, driving as a kid. I love these things. They're lightweight, they handle great, they're a little fragile, but this thing here takes it all to the next level. You have the custom front air dam, you have the intercooler, you have the radiator. This thing is built to suck in air and chill. Now, you can't see it too well in this light, but this is a carbon fiber hood because I saw the weave underneath, and maybe you can see it, just a little bit of bumpiness going on. But that means this is very light. You got the stock bodywork, which again is just a little bit smoother when you look at it. You got the wide body kit, and this thing is really built to run. Now, in addition to it, you gotta cool down a little bit. It gets hot in the cockpit because you don't have a window to roll down. But this is how you stay cool. It sucks the air in, cools down the cockpit. Oh man, genuine Volkswagen handle. Guaranteed to stick in the cold. You ever deal with a frozen Volkswagen door handle in the wintertime? Leave your comments down below. Let's take a look out back here because what they've done is very subtle. That's the name of the game this year, subtlety, if you can believe it. But they have the lights from the later series Golf, not a Mark II, but just the updated version. And then in addition to that, you've got some craziness going on. You got the air shooting out underneath. You got all these holes drilled in here for lightweight. Oh my gosh. And then you got this strap to pull you out, just in case you got a little bit of trouble going on and you need some help. I love this car. Look at these beautiful details. Built for speed, rough and tumble, but also when you look at all the details of how it's put together, it's flawless. So, tell me what you think. Leave your comments down below. Download the Throdle app. Follow me at I Would Buy This Ride, and we will see you next time.